Hi, this is Praios and I'm a professional gamer. Today I will show you how you can make money in online live casinos. This time it will not be about blackjack card counting. This was in the last video, check it out if you didn't already. Today it will be about bonus cards. When a promo like this runs, you can often play your favorite live dealer games with less of a disadvantage. You will often be able to even turn the house edge into an edge for the player. The best thing about this is that you don't need a big bankroll, but you will have almost no swings. But before I will share my secrets, please make sure to hit the like button. This helps out my channel tremendously and also makes sure that I will produce more content like this for you in the future. As this is out of the way, let's jump into it. What are bonus cards, you might ask? These are cards which got inserted into the shoe in addition to the regular playing cards. These cards do something positive once a card lands on your box. What exactly the bonus cards do varies from promo to promo. The purest form would be that you will get paid money once you hit one of these. Often they got different values, for example 10, 20 and 50 euros. Once you hit one, you will receive the amount shown on the card. Another example would be that the bonus card pays dependence on your bet size. For example, a bonus card could match your bet up to 100 euros. This will most of the time be not dependent on the outcome of the hand, so even if you lose, you will get these bucks. Another example could be a non-cash prize like electronics or something once you hit a card or multiple cards. Sometimes these cards are also linked to a leaderboard. To make an example, the first 3 places might get paid. For example, like the first gets 1k, second 500 and the third 300. And yeah, the payment could be dependent on the amount of bonus cards you have collected. Sometimes also some bonus cards are worth more than others, but yeah, this is also dependent on the promotion. I got one more example for you, and then we will start to talk strategy. Sometimes the cards also have different colors and you will have tasks to perform in order to get a prize, like collect 3 golden cards to get 200 bucks, for example. And collect 3 red cards to get another 50 bucks and 3 green cards to get 100 euros. And maybe you could also get a bonus if you collect all 3 sets. For example, get another 100 bucks if you collect all 3 sets. Okay, let's now talk strategy. Unless the prizes are bound to bet size, we will obviously want to play the lowest bet possible and collect as many cards as allowed by the promo terms. You will often be able to have an hourly of 10 to 100 bucks without having to risk a lot when participating in such a promotion. The basic requirement is that you know the basic strategy perfectly by heart. In order to maximize your expectation, you will have to play many tables. If you play many tables, you will often have many decisions in a very short amount of time. Timing out and not choosing the correct strategy is obviously not an option. If you make too many mistakes when playing, this will obviously lead to you no longer having a positive expected value. There are even more things you can do to increase your edge. Usually the dealer will insert the bonus cards in front of your eyes in the new shoe. And if you pay close attention, you will have a good understanding at which point this card will be dealt. And you can use this fact to your advantage by sitting out and starting to play once the bonus card is near. You will decrease the turnover you make doing this, and therefore you will have a bigger edge. But be careful, don't wait too long, otherwise you might miss a precious bonus card. I remember times where people took it to an extreme, only starting to play once a bonus card was inserted and near. And yeah, this obviously cannot be wanted by the sides, and yeah, be very careful doing this. And you might also argue that it's not possible because you will get kicked after a certain amount of time of inactivity. Yes, that's true, but there's a trick to get around it. On Evolution, where most bonus card promotions take place, you can sit out 2 rounds in a row, and I think if you miss the third, you will get kicked. And yeah, there's a simple trick to restart the allowed inactivity period. You just have to leave the table for a split second and then reclaim your seat, and then you will be allowed to sit out 2 more hands. Not sure if this is still possible because I didn't play any bonus card promotions lately, but I guess it still is. There are 2 issues with this type of behavior. Once, there are other people which might recognize what you are doing, and then they will steal your seat when you try to refresh. In addition to that, the casino might ban and penalize you for a behavior like this, because this can be deemed bonus abuse or promotion abuse or both. What's also unpleasant about these promotions is that other people will recognize too that there is money to be made on these blackjack tables. Because of that, it will be very hard to get a seat once the promotion is running. You might have to start a long time in advance in order to assure that you will have a seat once the promo starts and the first bonus cards getting inserted into the shoe. This obviously will hurt your bottom line. I recommend to document all collected bonus cards, for example, by taking screenshots and noting the time and date. This is because sites love to not pay or underpay, and in this case you will have no chance of getting your money unless you can prove that you actually hit these cards. Another trick which almost no one else is using to maximize your winnings would be to deviate from basic strategy when you expect that a bonus card might be next or very near or very close to coming out. This tactic especially makes sense when the mistake is very small, and it also could make a lot of sense when the bet amount is very small compared to the reward you might receive from the bonus card. For example, you might just bet 5 euros, but the bonus card could have a value of 50 euros, in which case it would make sense to split tens, for example, or something like this, or a bigger mistake, in order to get these juicy bonus cards. Now I will give a few examples of casinos which had bonus card promotions in the past. I will link these casinos in the description. I will also add my referral link. If you sign up through this link, I will earn money if you lose, but if you will follow my advice, I will unfortunately not get a single dime, because if you are winning, I will not get compensated. Anyways, keep in mind that I might be in a conflict of interest as I'm affiliated with these casinos. Also, never consider to play in a casino if you have an issue with responsible gambling. Keep in mind that gambling can be addictive. All the later mentioned casinos are solid big brands on which you can play without having to fear that you will get scammed often. It might be worth taking a look even without bonus card promotions. Unibet had bonus cards on every weekend for many years. These cards ranged from 10 euros to 50 euros, and you could collect 15 cards in total. This promotion unfortunately was ended, but they might have occasional promotions in which the bonus cards might return. Casumo is another casino which has a bonus card occasionally. Often these promotions are great, and it would look something like that. They will take 2 of their Casumo only blackjack tables, and they will insert 15 cards on these 2 tables and 1 card per shoe. The amazing thing is that they had bonus cards in the past ranging from 10 euros up to 500 euros. And yeah, you only had to bet, I think it was €5 on the one table and 10 on the other, so this had a huge EV. RIZK is also a casino which has been offering bonus cards and might do it again in the future. These promotions usually were not that great. You could only collect a small amount of bonus cards, and the value of these cards were also limited. For example, from 5 to 20 euros or something. The Betsson group, which includes brands like CasinoEuro, Betsafe or Betsson, also offers bonus cards on a regular basis. Often they will be in the form of not paying a direct money value. Often you will have to collect 3 cards of one color in order to receive a reward. We also had just cards with a cash reward in the past, but yeah, not recently. And yeah, sometimes there also was this bonus card promotion combined with a leaderboard, so that you could earn twice, once from the leaderboard and another time from the bonus card. LeoVegas is another example I got for you. In their promotions, you usually have to collect 3 of a kind, so for example 3 golden cards. And if you collect sets, you will get prizes, and often you will get an extra prize when you collect all sets on a given day. And yeah, LeoVegas also sometimes was combining these card promotions with a leaderboard. So yeah, you could also earn twice. So that's my little list of casinos. Yeah, I would be very happy if you support me by not only liking but also signing up through my referral link. This was it for today. I hope you find this helpful. Let me know what you think about this idea to make money. Maybe you already played in a bonus card promotion. I'm curious to find out about your experience, so also comment if this is the case. Please like this video if you didn't already. Also consider to subscribe if you don't want to miss any of my future content. Thanks for watching, good luck at the tables, bye until next time.